Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of old new Outlander stuff and a lot of Mitsubishi stuff. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Very soon we'll have a lot more information revealed about the PHEV 23 models will come out. We'll cover a lot of that stuff. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Thank you so much to all the subscribers that already have subscribed. And today we'll have a look at this. It's a rare spec these days. It's a base ES vehicle and it's a 2022 model. So it's interesting because typically these rare specs would be considered the high-end trim levels, but the way how the market situation is and the fact that 2022 is about to be done and 2023 models are going to start to land, this spec makes it a very actually rare and special. And this color in particular is the quartz brown color. Absolutely beautiful color. We also added 3 accessories on it that makes it even look better. So in this video we'll do a walk around video of it. We'll have a look at those accessories. We'll have a look at the interior as well, some of the cool specs on the ES trim level. So based on the comments that I've seen on my YouTube channel, on my videos, there's quite a few people that prefer this base ES trim level. They just can't get them, and for some reason some dealers can't deliver those. But this one here at the time of this video, it's still available for sale. So there we go. Let's have a look at this. It's a beautiful quartz brown color. This has 3 accessories that we added to it that makes the vehicle look a little bit better. It does have Outlander hood emblem right here. We chose this time around black because we kind of went through this black theme. And then on the side, if we look at it, we have these side moldings. All those accessories, by the way, that you see, we can purchase you can purchase at MrMitsubishi.ca, and I ship to US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, basically anywhere in the world, free shipping. So anyways, let's go back to accessories. So we have the Outlander hood emblem, we have this side molding, same thing, we went for black, and we do have these rain guards. They're very big, massive rain guards, vent visors, and has this nice Outlander badge on it, which kind of matches really well together with this Outlander element right here. And then on the side moldings, so if we take a closer look, so we can see how we have this chrome lookalike line that really matches well together with the chrome line we have going on this side. So if we look at this view, it's kind of right here, so we can see how actually the Outlander hood emblem matches really well together with everything else. And this is a quartz brown color, so it looks very good. And we can see how, like, today it's shining and then there's some clouds going on. Then we can see how this color looks different when it's cloudy day versus sunny day, and we can see how it looks darker right there, a little bit lighter here. I really like how it plays with the entire vehicle, the shape and everything else. Another reason why we went with black accessories is because on the ES trim level, this part is black plastic. It's not painted in that silver like it is on SC and all the models above. So this is kind of very good color for or very good trim level for doing all those accessories. And if we look at the rear view, we can see it right here. Same thing here, we do have plastic, and this plastic looks very good together with this quartz brown color. And we have these other black elements, tinted windows, and overall this one looks very good. And weirdly enough, like we discussed, all these things make this a rare spec these days because it's the base ES, has a ton of value, ton of good things, and a lot of people still want this base vehicle, and there's just not many of them around. There's quite a few mid-levels and upper levels up, but nothing on the base ES. So this one here is a very rare and unique vehicle at this point. As weird as it sounds, that's the base vehicle for you. Okay, so let's have a look at the inside, what's good we have in here. By the way, in Canada, all of the Outlanders come with super all-wheel control, and they're 7-seaters, right? So super all-wheel control is standard, 7-seaters is standard. This is how the interior looks. It's a cloth interior. You have manual seat adjustments, no automatic. You don't have the sunroof. A lot of people don't care about it. So you have the blind spot information system. Let's have a look what else we got here. So as we start the vehicle, we have push to start button. Same steering wheel is for all the Outlanders. Base or fully loaded, they get the same steering wheel. So I like that, because let's say on the RVR or Outlander Sport, base has this plastic steering wheel, and you know, the higher trim levels will have the leather, and then it feels and looks much different. But on Outlander, everybody is getting the same steering wheel. Then the main looks and the touch, the feel is the same for all of them, right? So we do have the classic dials right here with a smaller LCD screen compared to the full LCD on the higher trim levels. Then here we have nice infotainment display with backup camera and backup sensors. Backup camera quality is very good. It doesn't look all that good in this video, but I think it's just a light and resolution thing. So there we go, looks much better from this angle right here. Climate control settings right here. You do have the heated seats, which is standard here in Canadian spec as well. All the vents right here as we adjust, so it's all digital, the numbers, the dials. I really, by the way, like how Mitsubishi kept these manual dials together with, you know, some like, you know, display right here. I really do like the buttons and actual buttons and dials better than just the digital touch, but that's just my preference maybe. So leave a comment if you're in the same boat with me on that one. So you do have nice piano gloss part here around the shifter. They do tend to kind of scratch up if you put keys and whatnot, but there's these carbon fiber protectors we can put on. You can also find that on my MrMitsubishi.ca website. So this one here is a cool thing. So since it's super old control, we also can put different driving modes, right? So normal, we have eco, normal, then we have tarmac, gravel, snow, mud, right? As you turn them here, you can see how display changes, right? And this is a very nice and crisp looking display, and these images are pretty cool. I like them a lot. I made a video on what's the difference between these top three. So these would be the top three that people use the most. So it would be eco, normal, and tarmac. So it always defaults back to normal whenever you drive, and then you can either do the eco. This basically is gonna slow down the response and drop down the RPMs on your vehicle, just to make you sure you get the most fuel efficient drive. Normal is gonna be normal. Tarmac is for your faster driving, like sport mode or whatever. So if you feel like you're lacking a little bit of power, try on tarmac. I bet you'll love it once you drive it on tarmac mode. So overall, this one has the blind spot information system. It has of course all the traction control and all those options as well. So you have rear, when you back up the vehicle, it'll automatically stop, and then once you do that, you can proceed as your normal drivings, normal use of the vehicle. I made a video on that as well. So we can see here the 7-seater right here. This seat, we can see how it's pushed all the way in. So we do have adjustment here. Oops, there we go. So you can slide the second row, adjust it as you please, and then you can also fold down like this. These seats fold down if you don't want to. Let's have a brief look at the trunk space. Here they are. Not too much of a trunk space when you have these seats folded up, but once they fold it out, you actually fold it down, you have quite a bit of a trunk space. So there we go. We just checked out this rare these days base ES Outlander. Not too many of them left out there. That's why it makes it so unique. And we checked out 3 accessories, 1, 2, and 3, that makes this particular spec look even better. Let's close the door real quick and let's have a look again how it looks. Added side moldings, vent visors, and black Outlander hood emblem. I think it looks very sharp. Leave a comment if you like it. Leave a comment if you don't. Thank you so much for watching it, and see you in next videos.